Guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are gonna share with you irreplaceable roasted potato recipe. From all the potato recipes, this is the best way how to cook potatoes, and this is so delicious, guys. It's so juicy. You're gonna be loving this. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this recipe we are gonna need in total 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 lemon, 2 pieces of green onion, 5 pieces of medium potatoes. We are gonna need 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, in total 6 pieces of garlic. Then we are coming to our beloved spices, guys. I love spices and I hope you will enjoy this recipe with this amount of spices. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start with red hot chili pepper, black pepper, salt, and oregano. Then I have separated in separate dish salt and black pepper. This is for potato roasting, guys. So guys, we're gonna start with our prepared items. First of all, I have cut potatoes in cubicles, guys. So we take it and we are gonna place it in our tray. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the mix of black pepper and salt. I'm gonna mix it up. Gonna spread it around. Guys, now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So here. Then guys, I'm gonna mix it up on a tray. Guys, just make sure that you've placed all of them, and that's it. Now we are gonna place it in our oven for 40 minutes, guys. So I have preheated my oven ahead as usual for 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna place it just like this. 40 minutes we are gonna be cooking our potatoes. So guys, we're gonna start doing the sauce for our roasted potato. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the fire on highest level and I'm gonna start pouring olive oil. In total, I was using 4 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons I've used for potatoes, and 2 tablespoons I'm gonna use here. 1 and 2. So first things first, we're gonna wait for our olive oil to get hot. We are gonna add our minced garlic, guys. In total, we've used 6 pieces of garlic. So just mix up with our olive oil. It smells so good. At this stage, I'm gonna go ahead and add our 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, guys. This stage we are gonna make our fire on medium before adding the spices. Now we are gonna mix up our spices. Here I've got red hot chili pepper, black pepper, salt, and oregano, guys. If you don't have any of the spices, you are welcome, guys, to use whatever spices you enjoy eating. So we love these, for that reason I'm using them. So we are just gonna straightly spread it around and just mix them up. Once you have mixed them, we are gonna add our, remember one lemon that we had? I squeezed the juice out of lemon, so I'm gonna use it here. Now we are gonna mix it up well again. It's little bit sour. And guys, once you see it starts boiling, then you close the fire and you let it rest a bit. And so guys, you let it rest. Guys, only 16 minutes left until our potatoes will be ready. So I want to mix them up a little. So guys, we are taking back our potatoes for, now it's 13 minutes left. See you after 13 minutes. So guys, it's ready now. Yummy, yummy. So guys, at this stage, I've placed our roasted potatoes in the bowl. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start adding our sauce. We've prepared it ahead. So for the small one, this much, and for the big one, rest of the sauce. I'm gonna sprinkle some fresh green onions on top of them. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching us, guys. Wishing you all to have a nice, great evening. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, guys.